In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Origin not installed error in FIFA 21 so you can launch the game without any issues. Step 1. Close FIFA 21 and EA app. Make sure both FIFA 21 and the EA desktop app are completely closed. Use Task Manager to end any EA or Origin background processes. Step 2. Reinstall Origin. Go to the official Origin website. Download and install Origin again, even if you already have the EA app. Origin is still required for some games like FIFA 21. Step 3. Launch FIFA 21 from Origin. After installing Origin, right-click FIFA 21 in your game library. Choose Repair to fix any missing files. Then try launching the game again directly from Origin. Important notes: FIFA 21 still uses Origin in some setups, even with the new EA app. Always keep both the EA app and Origin up to date. Running the apps as administrator can help prevent future errors. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more FIFA fixes and gaming tips.